Once again, guys, I need to teach you something about the weekly target, how it works, because people have been asking, coach, how does the weekly target work? It's called the weekly NUMBLE, ne? And then there's a target for everyone. This target is 444 for the whole week from Thursday to Thursday. If you can check on UK's page, it is there. You can see, I think, which page is that? Let me check. It's 49's on this 49's page on Facebook, or you can just Google it. You'll find. Then they'll show you the target, and then these are what numbers. These are random numbers. The random numbers are always from 2, 5, 10, and then the hot numbers, they differ. They change according to the weeks. So this is how you're going to get your numbers that will match that target, because this target is for the week. So this is what I normally do with this. When I'm doing this, this is what I normally do. For example, for me to reach that target of 44, let me show you what I normally do. I'll say 1 plus 22 plus 47. These are hot numbers. These are hot numbers. So I'll get a 26. Do you see there? Once I get a 26, actually I'll subtract. I'll say 1 minus 22 is a 21. 21 minus 47 is a 26. So that is where I got that 26. According to section 320, 26 is I'll show you what it does, especially if it's a number like 26. Then I'll say again 1 plus 22 plus 47. I get a 70. So now I've got a 70 and a 26. This is what you do to reach that target. You're going to say 26 minus 70, get a 44. So do you see how the 44 goes? Because you have to reach the target. And to reach the target, which means now, as you can see, that 44 is coming back. So which means, because it's Tony today and he's on both draws. So as I was explaining on the previous video, that the 22, I will say times 2. I want you guys to understand why always you see me sometimes multiplying with the 3, dividing by 2. It's because of the target tells me that it's 44. So the number must also go up to that number. So do you see? If this 44 does not come now, it might come on tea time. And I guess it's going to be on the bonus. Let me see the bonus today. Today's bonus can be lower than that, or it can be that 44. Because remember, it's a double draw, double shift, so you have to consider that as well. And then what next? Let me show you again from the random numbers. The random numbers, they're always there. Is 2, 5, 10. So now that the 5 came last night, this is what you do with the random numbers. I'll show you this, because 5 came as a bonus last night. So you say 2 times 5 is a 10. Can you see that? It is a 10. So this 10, as it is sitting also on the random numbers, it can also come today. It can come in form of different things. Let me see if I'm going to reach that target. I'll say times 3, and then I get 30. I'm sorry, a 30 there. So this 30 that was mentioned earlier on that other video, it's now coming again. So it's a 30 there, a 30 that is also a 3. And this is on the section for 20. I guess we are fine. I just wanted to show you how this NUMBLE works. Sometimes because you calculate this NUMBLE according to the target. For example, I'll say 1. Let me say 1 plus 5 equals to a 6. Then I'll say 6 times what? Where's the random? 6 times 5. How much is 6 times 5? It's 30, ne? So do you see that I'm still reaching that 30? 30 from there. This 30 must come. It can come in a form of 3. It can also come in form of a 30. Did you see how I did it? I just took the hot one. 1 is a hot number. Ne? 1 is very hot, of which, like, let me say 1 is a 10. This one is very hot, as it is a 10. Unless, because it's just that uk49 these days results, when they come, they try to like distract us. but it was supposed to be a 10:30 today. The number that Tony was supposed to hit, it was there on the 10:30. So that's uk49. They can say 1, 3. Do you see? They can say 1, 3. Already, as you can see there, the 22 is on the hot sides. Because if you see a number like, let me say 22, that number is very hot. It can come it's hot. It means it's hot. It can repeat. Or if they see that, the guys have repeated it, they'll say times 2. It will give us straight that 44 from that target. So this is just the target for the week. It's not only for today, or it's actually ending today. It's Thursday today. Yeah, I'm right on that. And there's one of my team member. He asked me, Coach, can you please assist us on that? Cool. So let's do this, because this is the last day of the target. It's odd numbers 22, 47, and then it's 2, 5, 10. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to get a 3 there. I'm going to get a 27 there. I'm going to get I can't say 57, rather I subtract, then I get a 37. So do you see what I did there? Then still, to reach up my target, I'll use this modest number. I'll say 27 plus 3 equals to 30. Do you see that 30 is still coming? And then I'll say 37 plus 3 equals to 40. So either way, now 40 can come with a what? A 44 and a 30. If you decide to say 40, 44, 30, according to the target, that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this 30, I'm seeing this 40, I'm seeing the 44. And then if Tony decides to pick the hottest number, which is 47, and bring it like that is a 47, maybe on T, or maybe he can bring it on T. And then let's go here and see again. What number 1, 22, 47. And then random numbers 2, 5, 10. Then let's subtract. If you subtract, we get a 1. We subtract there, we get a 17. We subtract there, we get a 17. Let me see. 5 minus 22 is a 17. And then here is 17, 17. So now I'm getting something. I'm getting 2 17s. Here is a 1, I understand. But now the 2 17s. Let me see. Something from the 2 17s. 2 17s. Okay, I'll say if it's a 217, guys, don't you think this number can come also on the bonus, this 17? I know Tony is not a fan of 7s, but okay, let me quicken this. This is quite difficult now. 17 plus 17 equals to 34. Then if it's a 34, what do I do? Like a number like 34, because this number came yesterday. So I'll rather go to 43. Just be a 43. I'll rather go to a 43. Okay, no, I think now we're getting somewhere. So guys, you play around with the number just to get what? The target, which is 44. While you're playing around with it, that is how you get your numbers. Because sometimes, from these odd numbers, Tony will just pick like 1 and 47. But normally on the odd numbers, they will never pick 2 numbers, because they know it's a sure thing for everyone. So you see, that is how it works, guys. So try move around. Some people, they just do a simple thing like from the number. Can like, let me say what they call the random numbers is 10, 15. You see, we just add there, and then it gets a 15. And then say 15 times 2, you get a 30. So I'm thinking that this 30 will make a fire today. And it's a 3, remember? It's a 3. Okay, there's this other number that we once got. It was 26, né? So when we spin it, it's a 29. Then when we split, it's a 29. This is another number that is hiding, and it's been hiding for a while. So try to study. But according to me, when I was calculating my average of today, not for the week, I got this number, which when I know it's section 3 Tony, it's normally 11.1 or 9-1 or 19-11 or spin 16. You understand? Sort of with that. Spin and then you make it as a 16. Then when you spin that, it's a 1. So guys, play around. Just wanted to share with you this information. So yeah, let's see what's left. What's left? This is a 12. Okay, cool. No, I think we are covered. So guys, see you after. Boom. Hope you guys go very well. Thank you very much.